Hey, I'm trying to set up my video camera. Hey, hey, let me set up. Ow! No biting on the nipples. Ah. I'm going to do a thinning exercise on this piece. It's really lopsided. There's a bad dip here and there's a bulge over on this side. So I want to get rid of the highest places first. So this area here is going to be my first target. So I'm going to strengthen the edge by chipping down on the side here and building a platform all along here. Strike some big flakes across here. This is a 2.5 inch bopper. There's no lead in the cap. It's just a cap taped onto the pipe. You have to make a thick enough edge to strike on. If you just hit into a real sharp edge with this, it'll just crush all over the place. So you strike down on the edge. We do some grinding. And start flaking from the ends toward the middle. This is a size bopper that's comfortable to just freehand with. You don't have to use it on your leg. And I like freehanding the piece because I can just feel the piece better and see what I'm doing. I'm going to try to knock a big flake through here. Nice. That flake is just what I was looking for. And this is one of those nice flakes coming off of the big bopper that'll make an arrowhead. Alright, come down here and get us a flake right across this big hump here. Just right. A couple of nice thick little flakes there. Now we need to make sure we can get a good one right here, and that will clean that face up really nicely. So come here, make me a platform to strike on. Right there, it's kind of isolated already. Should be an easy flake. I'm going to try to hit right here and take a flake off here. I missed. That's okay, I'll just move over some. There, we got it. There's still a ridge here. There. Now look at this face. It's nice and flat. This side is a bit curved. That's good. Okay, so see where stuff needs to go. I need to get rid of this. Alright, now one right here. When you hold a piece like this, got to be sure not to be down here like this and hitting down here, because this end will just fall off. So you have to have a little bit of support back here as you run flakes down the length of the blade. Just a finger along there helps. Nice. Look how flat that face is now. We got to work on this face a little bit. Okay, I need to trim up the edge to make some platforms to go through this side. So I'm striking down here, picking up the edge. When you're using the big boppers, you got to make real sure that your edge is thick enough to take that big blow. I'm just going to take just a few thinning flakes there. One right here. Okay. I got a little extra mass on this side. I need to go ahead and knock that off right there. Okay, a little shaping up the blade. I'm being careful not to drive in too far when I'm shaping. This spot here is too thick. and try to get rid of that from this platform here. Perfect. Okay, well, I just wanted to straighten up this blade. It had some problems, and now it's still way too thick, but we're straight and there are no bad issues with the rock now, and it's maybe ready for some punch work. And I was just straightening the blade and practicing some percussion flaking. Thank you for watching.